Founder cold email is going to fail, not because the offer is bad, because the email is built wrong, and that wrongness shows up immediately. You probably see these several times a week. I call it the pitch slap. Today, I'm going to put a really bad cold email on the screen, break it down the 5 reasons it fails, and then rebuild it into one that gets replies. Hi, I'm Mark Rice, and I build sales systems for B2B founders. One thing first, this is not a video about who to email or why. That's a different conversation altogether. Knowing your ideal customer and your message. This video assumes that you have done that. This is about construction, the actual words in order. Here's the email, the kind I see constantly. Hi, I'm Mark, founder of Rice Revenue Consulting. We help B2B founders build scalable sales infrastructure through a proven methodology. We have worked with many founders to transform their revenue. I would love to hop on a call with you and explore synergies and see where there's a fit. Let me know your availability. That's 6 sentences about the sender, 0 about the reader, and a vague ask. It will not get a reply, and it fails for 5 specific reasons. Watch how each points to the fix. Rule 1, the subject earns the open and nothing else. Short and human, the kind a real person types in a hurry, not a marketing department. Sometimes even lowercase. It's not revolutionize your sales process today. That's a billboard, and people delete billboards. A real subject sounds like a note from someone they already know. Rule 2, the first line is not about you. This is where every founder loses the deal, exactly like that bad email did. I'm Mark, founder of Dot. You made your email about you, and they've stopped reading. The first line has one job, earn the second line. The only way to earn it is make it about them. Rule 3, open on the trigger event. Name what just happened in their world. Something like they raised a round, they posted a roll, they hit a milestone, they said something on a podcast. When your first sentence proves you actually know something specific about their business, you're no longer a stranger sending a billboard, you're someone paying attention. Rule 4, one ask that is both specific and small. It's not, let me know if you'd ever like to chat sometime. That is actually what the bad email did. That asks them to do work figuring out the next step. Do it for them. Worth 15 minutes Thursday? One clear, no friction yes. Rule 5, cut everything else. Length kills cold email. If it scrolls, it dies. 5 sentences. 5 sentences is plenty. Every sentence that is not the trigger event, one line of relevance, or the ask, delete it. Now watch the rebuild. I saw you just brought on your first sales hire. Congratulations. Most founders I work with hit the same wall after. The rep cannot sell the way the founder did. I put together the system that fixes that. Worth 15 minutes Thursday? Okay, see, trigger event, one small line of relevance, one specific ask. Same business, same person on the other end, but a completely different email. So here's your assignment. Pull up the last cold email that you sent. Run it through the 5 rules. Cut the part about you. Open on the trigger, leave one ask, delete the rest. You'll be shocked how much you remove. If you want the full sequence, I have what I call the Cold Outreach Sequence Builder on my site at ricerevenue.com/foundertools. And if you're building founder-led growth, subscribe. New videos every Tuesday. I'll see you in the next one.